Today on CJ Off-Road, we're stuck. Matt with CJ Off-Road. Today we're out at one of our properties. We're in the brand new JL. We're about to get this thing muddy, see how she does.
So Matt is up there. He's getting ready to make his attempt through this little mud pit we have here. And it just rained and snowed a whole lot, and so much so, we discovered that there's a little creek that runs through here, and there's a lot of mud here. And I'm gonna be very surprised if he can make it through there. It's kind of intimidating looking. Like, that mud over there, it's pretty thick, it's pretty deep. Like, even our trucks have a little bit of trouble getting through it. So he's gonna make his way over here, but I'm not too confident. We might have to get him unstuck with the JK or even the SEMA truck. Come on, Matt!
We got a little track of mud here. Let's see what she'll do. Got her in 4 low.
The JL took that mud, no problem. I was very surprised. I was actually really hoping he would get stuck. But I'm challenging him something to a little bit more tricky. Over there, I don't even know what you call it. A ton of water and a ton of grass and a ton of mud. There's no way he can get out of that, and I'm so unconfident that we brought our Bubba Rope so we can hook this up to the JK and yank him out, because he's getting stuck without a doubt. So Matt's gonna try to pull into this thing, and I am not very confident. I kind of hope he gets pretty stuck. He's really confident, you know, he's been talking smack back to me, but there's no way. There's like stumps in there and logs. There is no way. Look at that. Oh, yeah! He is stuck! Well, it's time to put the Bubba Rope to work. Hopefully the JK can pull it out. If not, we might have to get our SEMA truck. So, I didn't bring boots, and I don't have any kind of protection. I think you might have to take your boots off and crawl to the back of the Jeep to catch the rope when I throw it to you and hook it to the hook. Ready?
It's heavy!
So the factory tow hook on the JL won't allow the Bubba Rope to go around it, which is just our luck. So we brought an extra D-ring, which you should always do when you go off-road. We're gonna put the D-ring around the factory tow hook, then the Bubba Rope through the D-ring.
All that's left is you to throw this to me and not drop it. Give me an... Let me step over here. Oh boy.
Ready?
All right, go ahead. Hey, look what I found.
So we have the Jeep in 4 low, and it's important when you do this, don't just gun it. That's not what you want to do. Just ease into it, and you should be able to pull him out. And just like that, he's out. So I gotta say, I was not surprised at all that you got stuck in the JL. But this video is about how well the JL is off-road, right?
Yeah, of course.
So it only makes sense to have something to compare it to, right?
Okay.
So I guess now we just gotta see if the JK can do better or if it has the same fate, and then you can pull me out.
I mean, I got my muck boots on. We got a Bubba Rope. You got a lift kit, so let's get to it, dude.
So being that I'm a good friend and I'm not the Jeep expert, Matt's gonna be taking the JK into the mud, so it's not gonna be me driving. And also he has the mud boots. So I'm gonna stay here and stay dry while he gets stuck again. If he's stuck right there, I'm not sure if we'll be able to get him out. He's moving a little bit. Okay. Yeah! Yeah! That was awesome! Oh my God. Brendan gets to wash these when we get back. Yes, dude, that was awesome.
Awesome,
They
man.
are completely destroyed with mud.
Yeah.
I'm glad we don't have to clean them though.
Yeah.
So, you know, a lot of people have been doubting the JL
Yeah.
off-road in the mud and such. What do you think is better in the mud?
I mean, honestly, like, this has a 2.5-inch lift on it. It's got a Mopar lift kit. Our JK does have a 3.5-inch FabTech with the inch body lift, bigger tires, mud terrain tires. I think if we put the same thing on our JL, she'd get out no problem.
You know, I agree. Like when you were stuck in there, you could see the mud just completely cake the tread on those and pretty much just made it a slick.
Absolutely.
Like, you had no traction at all. So I think the
Yeah.
tires really came into play here.
Yeah.
But the traction control wasn't a big deal or anything with that. Like,
No, yeah, it only bogged a little bit down in reverse, but you got to trade some a little bit. I mean, I was sitting there with the heated steering wheel and heated seats for waiting to get stuck, so that was pretty cool. But let's get these things back and make somebody else wash them. What do you say?
let's do it.
So as much as we would have liked to not wash the Jeeps, we got back and Bill said, yeah, you two have to go out and wash them since you got them muddy. Freddy's behind me helping out with the JL. I have the JK already washed. To find all the products we used today, as well as detailed installation videos about how to put them onto your own Wrangler, be sure to subscribe to our CJ Off-Road YouTube channel. And until next time, we'll see you guys out in the mud.